If you're an Amazon seller, you really know the pain of manually copying invoice data into spreadsheets. We have created a tool that can extract invoice data manually from. We have created a tool that can help you extract invoice data from PDF. In order to use it, just go to this link given in the description. Download our application for Mac, Windows, or Linux and install it. Once you install it, just open it. And you will need to upload these kind of PDFs into it. You can download it from here as well. So just drag and drop it and run it. As you can see, it has given us a lot of data, and you can use this data for your spreadsheets. If you have any other kind of if you have any other kind of Amazon document that you would like to extract, just let us know on our WhatsApp or email, and we will likely create it for you. It's a very great tool that can simplify your work. And you do not need to enter, and you will not need to manually enter your invoice data here.